Good morning. Today we are going to be learning Hot Cross Buns, our first song for our recorder karate unit. Just learning the song today. And when you feel comfortable, you can go to Flipgrid and record yourself playing this song. I have put a playlist on my YouTube channel, so you can click that and play along with the accompaniment file, which is super fun. Here are the things that we're going to learn today. Hopefully you can see that. It's kind of hard for me to do this. So we are going to learn G, A, and B, a half note, a quarter note, a half rest, 4/4 meter, which means that there are 4 beats per measure. And then by the end of today, you should be able to read B, A, and G on the staff and play B, A, and G on the recorder. So those are the things that I'm looking for today. This is important because the next song will build on these skills and you'll get to use them for the rest of this unit. So like I said before, your left hand, this is my left, is going to be on the top. So I like to say left hand goes on top, right hand helps a lot. So if that helps you remember which hand goes on top, that would be great. If you could put a sticker on your left hand or a bracelet or something to mark your left, that would be awesome. Sometimes when you have your phone or your camera on, it flips your left side and it makes it look like your right side. So if you could just mark your left hand for me, that would be great. So again, your left thumb goes on the hole in the back. That's your thumb hole. And your left first finger covers the first hole. Now look down, make sure it's covered all the way. If it's not, it's going to squeak. All right. So last time I saw you, we talked about just exhaling and not blowing too hard. If you do that, you should get a nice B. This is the fingering for B. That is B. That's our first note for today. So B is thumb and first finger. When we look at it on a fingering chart, it looks like this. So this is the note. Ooh, I'm all backwards. This is the note. It looks like this on the staff. It's on that third line. And then up here, these are all of the possible notes that you could be covering. The ones that are colored in are the ones that you have your fingers covering. Okay. So you will get a copy of a fingering chart. That's how you read it. If the hole is covered in, you're going to put your finger over that hole and cover it up. All right. So again, this is B. Make sure you've got that before you go to the next one. To get A, we're going to add a finger. And that's all. You're going to keep those two down and you're going to add your second finger. It's your middle finger in your left hand. That will give you A. And A is in the second space. It looks like this. And here is the fingering chart for it, okay? So it looks like that. If you were in my classroom, these would be on my board. So I am gonna take a picture of them and put them at the end of this video so that you can have them. And hopefully we'll also have them in this thing somewhere, okay? So here's A. Again, I've got my thumb on the back, first finger, second finger, here is A. If you blow too hard, it will squeal. Okay, don't blow too hard. Just exhale. And if you're seeing a pattern, you will know where G is. We are just going to add that third finger for G. G is on the second line. It looks like this on the staff. All right, and there's the fingering chart. G is 3 fingers and your thumb in your left hand. Here is G. Make sure you can play those 3 notes before you go on to play Hot Cross Buns. All right, so again, our goal today is to be able to play Hot Cross Buns, but really we're focusing on being able to play these 3 notes. All right, so now is the fun part where you get to actually play a song. So I'm going to try to get this so you can see my fingers, a really nice close view of my fingers, all right? So we're going to start on B. going to do it again just to make sure. Nice, steady tempo. And in order to make this separation between notes, I am using my tongue and it actually touches the top of the recorder. Here we go again. 1, 2, ready, play. You did it. Good job. We are going to try to go ahead and play along with the recording this time. So I'm going to show you how that goes. Again, it's just B, A, and G, and you should be looking at your music and playing along with this steady tempo. 1, 2, ready, play. All right. Sorry, I'm trying to switch back and forth between screens. You guys did great. And I would suggest that you go ahead and play that a few more times and then go to Flipgrid, submit your copy to me, and go on to the next song.